Welcome to ABC, where study rules. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello friends. We will discuss most important MCQs on Indian Polity and Constitution Part 4. Indian Polity MCQs Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 have already been uploaded. You can watch them. So let's start.
Hello viewers, we will discuss Indian Polity and Constitution MCQs. This is part 4. Question number 1. How many languages are contained in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Option number 1, 18. Option number 2, 22. Option number 3, 16. Option number 4, 12. The right answer is 22. The 8th schedule to the Indian Constitution contains a list of 22 scheduled languages. Question number 2. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution provides for number 1. Equality before law. Question number 2. Option number 2. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Option number 3. Abolition of titles. Option number 4. Abolition of untouchability. The right answer is abolition of untouchability. Question number 3. A proclamation of emergency under Article 352 on account of war or aggression requires approval of the Parliament within option number 1, 1 month, option number 2, 2 months, option number 3, 4 months, option number 4, 6 months. The right answer is 1 month. National emergency is caused by war, external aggression, or armed rebellion in the whole of India or a part of its territory. The President can declare such an emergency only on the basis of a written request by the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. Such a proclamation must be approved by the Parliament within 1 month. Such an emergency can be imposed for 6 months. It can be extended by 6 months by repeated parliamentary approval. Question number 4. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution upholds option number 1. Land reforms legislation in India. Option number 2. Diplomatic privileges and immunities. Option number 3. Special status of Jammu and Kashmir state. Option number 4. Duties and rights of Lokpal. The answer is special status of Jammu and Kashmir state. Question number 5. Which constitutional amendment gave precedence to the directive principles of state policy over fundamental rights? Option number 1, 42nd. Option number 2, 44th. Option number 3, 52nd. Option number 4, 56th. The right answer is 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Question number 6. The basic features of the Indian Constitution which are not amendable under Article 368 are option number 1. Sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system and judicial review. Option number 2, sovereignty, territorial integrity and parliamentary system of government. Option number 3, judicial review and the federal system. Option number 4, sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system, judicial review and parliamentary system of government. The right answer is sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system, judicial review and parliamentary system of government. Question number 7. Which Amendment Act introduced changes in the Preamble to the Indian Constitution? Option number 1, the 38th Amendment Act 1975. Option number 2, the 40th Amendment Act 1976. Option number 3, the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Option number 4, the 44th Amendment Act 1979. The right answer is 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Question number 8. By which amendment were fundamental duties added to the Constitution? Option number 1, 40th Amendment. Option number 2, 42nd Amendment. Option number 3, 44. Option number 4, 45th Amendment. The right answer is Article 352. The right answer is 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India, enacted in 1976, laid down the fundamental duties of Indian citizens to the nation, which are defined as the moral obligations of all citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. These duties set out in Part 4A of the Constitution concern individuals and the nation. Question number 9. A financial emergency can be declared by applying option number 1, Article 360, option number 2, Article 361, option number 3, Article 370, option number 4, Article 371. The right answer is Article 360. Question number 10. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution inserted the two words Socialist and Secular in the Preamble? Option number 1, 28th, option number 2, 40th, option number 3, 42nd, option number 4, 52nd. The right answer is 42nd. Question number 11. Under which President's rule introduced in a state due to the failure of the constitutional machinery? Option number 1, 352, option number 2, 356, option number 3, 360, option number 4, 350. The right answer is Article 356. President's rule is enabled by Article 356 of the Constitution of India, which gives authority to impose central rule if there has been failure of the constitutional machinery in any state of India. During President's rule, a governor appointed by the central government assumes executive authority. Since the governor is appointed by the President of India on the advice of the central government, the state's policies are controlled by the ruling party at the center. Question number 12. The 73rd Amendment Act 1992 of the Indian Constitution was passed to option number 1 strengthen Panchayati Raj, option number 2 strengthen rural institutions, option number 3 strengthen urban institution, option number 4 none of the above. The answer is strengthen Panchayati Raj. Question number 13. Article 74 and 75 of Indian Constitution deal with matters of option number 1 the Council of Ministers, option number 2 the Speaker of Lok Sabha, option number 3 the President of India, option number 4 the Cabinet Ministers. The answer is the Council of Ministers. Article 74 of the Constitution of the Republic of India provides for a Council of Ministers which shall aid the President in the exercise of his functions. Article 75 states that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of the People. Question number 14. A proceeding under Article 226 in case of detention of a person is a option number 1 civil proceeding, option number 2 criminal proceeding, option number 3 judicial proceeding, option number 4 statutory proceeding. The answer is criminal proceeding. Question number 15. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the disqualification of elected members on the ground of defection? Option number 1 8th, option number 2 9th, option number 3 10th, option number 4 11th. The answer is 10th. The 10th schedule to the Indian Constitution, that is popularly referred to as the Anti-Defection Law, was inserted by the 52nd Amendment to the Constitution in 1985. Question number 16. According to Article 75 bracket 3 of the Constitution of India, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the option number 1 President, option number 2 Parliament, option number 3 Lok Sabha, option number 4 Rajya Sabha. The answer is Lok Sabha. Question number 17. The two words that were inserted by the 42nd Amendment to the Preamble of the Constitution are option number 1 secular democratic, option number 2 sovereign democratic, option number 3 socialist secular, option number 4 secular republic. The answer is socialist secular. Question number 18. 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1985. Option number 1 Union Territories, option number 2 Defection and Disqualification, option number 3 Extending Reservation, option number 4 Abolition of privy purses. The answer is Defection and Disqualification. Question number 19. In the Constitution of India, the right to constitutional remedies has been provided in the article option number 1 30, option number 2 31, option number 3 32, option number 4 35. The right answer is 32. The right to constitutional remedies is given in Article 32 under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. It is a fundamental right. It is a fundamental right and empowers the citizens to move a court of law in case of any denial of the fundamental rights. Question number 20. Which amendments to the Constitution provide for the reservation of 1/3 seats in the municipal boards and village panchayats for women? Option number 1, 73rd and 74th Amendments. Option number 2, 82nd and 83rd Amendments. Option number 3, 72nd and 73rd Amendments. Option number 4, 74th and 75th Amendments and Ordinary Law. The answer is 73rd and 4th Amendments. Question number 21. By which constitutional amendment political defections were banned? The 50th Amendment of 1984, the 53rd Amendment of 1986, the 54th Amendment of 1986, the 52nd Amendment of 1985. The right answer is the 52nd Amendment of 1985. Question number 22. The system of privy purses in respect of former rulers of Indian states before independence was abolished by the Constitution through option number 1, 26th Amendment Act 1971, option number 2, 27th Amendment Act 1971, option number 3, 38th Amendment Act 1975, option number 4, 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The right answer is 26th Amendment Act 1971. Question number 23. Which constitutional amendment deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Option number 1, 42nd Amendment. Option number 2, 62nd Amendment. Option number 3, 44th Amendment. Option number 4, 43rd Amendment. The right answer is 44th Amendment Act. Question number 24. In the Constitution of India, which article mentions about the establishment of welfare state in India? Option number 1, 99, option number 2, 39, option number 3, 59, option number 4, 69. The right answer is 39. Question number 25. By which constitutional amendment bill did the Parliament lower the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Option number 1, 42nd, option number 2, 44th, option number 3, 61st, option number 4, 73rd. The right answer is 61st. The Constitution 61st Amendment Act 1989 lowered the voting age from 21 to 18. Question number 26. Which one of the following languages is not specified in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Option number 1, Urdu. Option number 2, English. Option number 3, Sindhi. Option number 4, Sanskrit. The right answer is English. The 8th schedule to the Indian Constitution contains a list of 22 scheduled languages. English is not one of them. Question number 27. Under which article of the Constitution of India can the fundamental rights of the members of the armed forces be specifically restricted? Option number 1, Article 33. Option number 2, Article 19. Option number 3, Article 21. Option number 4, Article 25. The right answer is Article 33. Question number 28. Which article of the Indian Constitution did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar term as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Option number 1, Article 14. Option number 2, Article 19. Option number 3, Article 356. Option number 4, Article 32. The right answer is Article 32. Question number 29. Under which article of the Indian Constitution the decision of the Central Administrative Tribunal can be challenged in the Supreme Court? Option number 1, 320. Number 2, 329. Option number 3, 343C. Option number 4, 343K. The right answer is 323A. Question number 30. Which has become a legal right under 44th Amendment? Option number 1, right to education. Option number 2, right to property. Option number 3, right to judicial remedies. Option number 4, right to work. The right answer is right to property. Question number 31. The national emergency in India declared by the President of India due to the external aggression or armed revolt through option number 1, Article 352, option number 2, Article 356, option number 3, Article 360, option number 4, Article 368. The right answer is Article 352. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.